Oh, hey guys. Right, that's way too cropped in. Perfect. Right, hey guys, welcome to another video from the Parrott Bros. Now, this is just a little teaser and a little reminder to go vote on the calendars. Now, the calendars are on theparrottbros.co.uk. In the top, click the little lines. It will take you down to calendar 2023, where you can go and vote now. I think there's something like 60 cars to vote from. Pick your favourite, tap that little heart icon, and then whoever has the most votes, some of those pictures will go into the calendar. Also, some I've selected from over the year, from some of the events. Some of the cars were just unreal. Some nice pictures of lovely TTs, of course. The Parrott Bros calendar, picture a month. Ignore me. And that will be finishing on November 12th. So if you're watching that after this, you lose. You've missed it. But if you also want to go on there and order your calendar, you can pre-order it. We'll try and get them out at the end of November, beginning of December, in time for Christmas. So if you'd like to give it as a gift or get it as a gift, you know what to do. There's only going to be a limited amount because I actually ended up ordering too many last year because people kept saying they wanted them. And I kept ordering, and then I got left with a load. So limited number only. Get them before they get sold out, basically. But enough about that. We are in an undisclosed location, and there is the biggest video I have ever done going live this Sunday, 4 p.m. Do not miss it. I will set up a premiere so we can go on there half an hour before, have a little chat. I think you all know what it's going to be. But I am so excited to share with you guys. I literally nearly just put the video on today, but I haven't finished editing it. So Sunday, 4 p.m. Don't miss it. I'll see you there. Sunday, 4 p.m.